good to have Kyle with us again. Kyle is one of our experts with Fanshawe Online that students can use at Fanshawe. Now, Kyle, a lot of students have to post something in the discussion part of the FOL page for their course. Can you show us how that works?
Of course. So when you're within the course and within the discussion tool of that course, you can actually choose to post a new topic by selecting the Compose button. This is going to open a new window, and this is going to allow students to write something a little bit like how you would write an email. So first we need to give it a subject. So say in this case the instructor has asked for thoughts on a chapter that they've read in class. This person can write, my thoughts to chapter 1. And then they can begin to compose their message within the message field. So
Might say, I hated chapter 1. It was very boring.
Chapter 1 was not needed. We could have received the same information from, now in this case, we may actually want to put a link of Wikipedia or Google or even a newspaper of where we can find that exact same information from chapter 1. So in this case, we want to click, and there's these little icons. There's one right here that looks like a linked chain. And if you hover over it, it'll say Insert Quick Link. Select that. It's going to open up another new window. We're going to need to select what kind of resource. Now in this case, because we're going to be linking to an external website, we want to select a URL. By doing that, we then can copy and paste the URL into this section here, or if we know it, we can just type it in. So in this case, I'm just going to say google.ca, and then we have to add a link caption, which means instead of them seeing this link, which can sometimes be very, very long, what do we want them to see? So in this case, we'll say Google Canada. Now if you notice, there's 2 red dots. These are items you must fill in.
And if you leave one out, it doesn't work.
Exactly. So once we have those information in, we can then click Insert, and instead of seeing that big long URL link, we now just see Google Canada, and it makes the reading aspect of this message a little bit clearer. And then after we have our final thoughts, we just need to select Post, and it's right there for the rest of the class to read.
So all my classmates can read that, and it's really easy for them to click on the website that I have suggested in my post.
Exactly.
That looks easy, Kyle.
Give it a few tries and it'll be like second nature.
That's great. Thank you.
No problem.